We have all of our bikes here down at BareFoot Landing. You can see everything we have to offer for the new Goldwing and the Harley Touring models. Right here on our Road Glide, I was going to show you that we have our new lighted license plate frame in stock. Comes in chrome or black with a red lens or smoke lens. Of course, all of our turn signals, filler panels, bag blades, bag extensions. Here's our lighted flagpole. Make this antenna with a flexible base to the bottom there. Of course, all the other front end lighting, foot pegs, drink holders, phone holders. Come check it out.
I'm here to help out.
Look this way. Go.
Halifax Urban Ministries. We come here every year. It's our 26th year here at Myrtle Beach at BareFoot Landing. We also have the other bike that you get to choose from down at Harley Davidson starting Monday. That's the Street Glide. But guys, you need to come by one of the booths. It's $5 a chance to help out homeless veterans and single moms with kids. He's going to talk what these guys did. If you buy 6 chances for 20 bucks this week, you get a free Bike Week shirt. But some wonderful calls. It's a great time this week. We're calling for great weather, except for Monday, but that'll probably go away. So come on down. I'm at BareFoot Landing if you want to meet the cool brother. The other one's down at Harley Davidson. He'll be there starting Monday morning. So come on down, have a great week, and ride safe.
How you been, all right?
Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. What are we doing for the vets?
It's a homeless shelter to help homeless veterans. I'm down here at Myrtle Beach, Harley Davidson, raffling tickets on the bike. You don't have to be present. It's $5 a ticket. Doing 2 specials. It's 4 for 20 and you get a Myrtle Beach Bike Week shirt free, but the main thing is you're helping a homeless veteran. Don't have to be present. We'll even ship the bike to you free.
More can you...
So we hope you enjoyed the video today. Some more highlights of Myrtle Beach Bike Rally down here in South Carolina. So stay tuned, watch some more. We're going to have some more highlights coming up, things going on, and what you can expect if you ever come down here to Myrtle Beach. We've seen a lot of our subscribers. We want to say thank you to all of them and a big shout out to our Pating Nation. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share us with your family and friends. Think about Patreon. Give us a big thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.